Today, OpenAI is releasing GPT 5.4, their most capable and efficient frontier model for professional work. GPT 5.4 brings together the best of their recent advances in reasoning, coding, and agentic workflows into a single frontier model. It incorporates the industry-leading coding capabilities of GPT 5.3 Codex, while dramatically improving how the model works across tools, software environments, and professional tasks involving spreadsheets, presentations, and documents. The result is a model that gets complex real work done accurately, effectively, and efficiently, delivering what you asked for with less back and forth. GPT 5.4 is being released in ChatGPT as GPT-5.4 Thinking in the API and in Codex. For those who want maximum performance on complex tasks, there is also GPT 5.4 Pro. GPT 5.4 delivers major improvements in knowledge work, the real-world tasks that matter most to professionals. On GDPval, which tests agents' abilities to produce well-specified knowledge work across 44 occupations, GPT 5.4 achieves a new state-of-the-art, matching or exceeding industry professionals in 83% of comparisons, compared to 70.9% for GPT 5.2. OpenAI put a particular focus on improving GPT 5.4's ability to create and edit spreadsheets, presentations, and documents. On an internal benchmark of spreadsheet modeling tasks, GPT 5.4 achieves a mean score of 87.3%, compared to 68% for GPT 5.2. On a set of presentation evaluation prompts, human raters preferred presentations from GPT 5.4 68% of the time. GPT 5.4 is also OpenAI's most factual model yet. On a set of de-identified prompts where users flagged factual errors, GPT 5.4's individual claims are 33% less likely to be false, and its full responses are 18% less likely to contain any errors relative to GPT 5.2. GPT 5.4 is OpenAI's first general-purpose model with native computer use capabilities, marking a major step forward for developers and agents alike. It is the best model currently available for developers building agents that complete real tasks across websites and software systems. On OSWorld-Verified, which measures a model's ability to navigate a desktop environment through screenshots and keyboard and mouse actions, GPT 5.4 achieves a state-of-the-art 75% success rate, far exceeding GPT 5.2's 47.3% and even surpassing human performance at 72.4%. On WebArena Verified, GPT 5.4 achieves a leading 67.3% success rate for browser use. GPT 5.4's improved computer use is built on improved general visual perception. On MMMU Pro, a test of visual understanding and reasoning, GPT 5.4 achieves an 81.2% success rate. OpenAI is also introducing support for full-fidelity image inputs up to 10.24 million total pixels, enabling stronger gains in localization, image understanding, and click accuracy. GPT 5.4 combines the coding strengths of GPT 5.3 Codex with leading knowledge work and computer use capabilities. It matches or outperforms GPT 5.3 Codex on SWE-Bench Pro while being lower latency across reasoning efforts. In Codex, a new fast mode delivers up to 1.5's faster token velocity. This means developers can move through coding tasks, iteration, and debugging while staying in flow. GPT 5.4 also excels at complex front-end tasks, with noticeably more aesthetic and more functional results than any model OpenAI has launched previously. As a demonstration of GPT 5.4's improved computer use and coding capabilities working in tandem, OpenAI is releasing an experimental Codex skill called Playwright Interactive. This allows Codex to visually debug web and Electron apps. It can even be used to test an app it's building, as it's building it. With GPT 5.4, OpenAI has significantly improved how models work with external tools. Agents can now operate across larger tool ecosystems, choose the right tools more reliably, and complete multi-step workflows with lower cost and latency. GPT 5.4 introduces tool search in the API, which allows models to work efficiently when given many tools. Previously, all tool definitions were included in the prompt upfront, adding thousands of tokens to every request. With tool search, GPT 5.4 instead receives a lightweight list of available tools and looks up each tool's definition only when needed. In a benchmark with all 36 MCP servers enabled, the tool search configuration reduced total token usage by 47% while achieving the same accuracy. GPT 5.4 is also stronger at agentic web search. On BrowseComp, GPT-5.4 leaps 17 percentage points over GPT-5.2, and GPT-5.4 Pro sets a new state-of-the-art at 89%. GPT-5.4. Thinking in ChatGPT introduces a new steerability feature. For longer, more complex queries, the model will now outline its work up front with a preamble. You can add instructions or adjust its direction mid-response, making it easier to guide the model toward the exact outcome you need without starting over. On safety, OpenAI is treating GPT-5.4 as high cyber capability under their preparedness framework, deploying it with an expanded cyber safety stack, including monitoring systems, trusted access controls, and asynchronous blocking for higher-risk requests. OpenAI also introduces a new open-source evaluation called CoT controllability, measuring whether models can deliberately obfuscate their reasoning. GPT-5.4. Thinking's ability to control its chain of thought is low, a positive property, suggesting the model cannot hide its reasoning and that chain of thought monitoring remains an effective safety tool. GPT 5.4 is rolling out today across ChatGPT, Codex, and the API, available to Plus, Team, Pro, and Enterprise users.